Hare Krishna. Today let's make some coconut laddoos for Bal Gopal. Take a big bowl and a spoon for making it. First take 1 bowl of desiccated coconut powder and put it in the bowl. Add a pinch of cardamom powder for good taste and smell. Slowly add condensed milk as per the requirement, spoon by spoon. Mix well so that everything blends nicely. Keep on mixing. Add some more condensed milk if required. Keep mixing. Now roll in hand like a ball. Try to form the ball. Now roll it a bit. Keep rolling until it gets the shape. Roll slowly. One laddu is ready. Let's make another one. Try to form the shape. Keep trying if it doesn't come. Roll it properly so that it gets the right shape. And here it is. Govinda, Govinda, the laddus are ready. Now let's keep them in a bowl. One by one, place it delicately. Place it carefully, otherwise the laddus may break. Kutti laddus for my Laddoo Gopal are ready. Thank you. Hare Krishna.